Number 31 says multiply 8x to the fourth y squared over 3z cubed times 9xy squared z to the sixth over 4y to the fourth. I just rewrote it so I had a little bit more room to work. I'm going to go through and start canceling stuff out. So since it's just multiplication, it's really, you've got one big multiplication problem up top and below. We can go ahead and start cross-canceling things. Now you can go ahead and multiply it all out and then cancel stuff off. For me personally, I think it's nice to just kind of get some stuff out of the way. So I can reduce 8 and 4 to 2 and 1. Same thing with 9 and 3. I can reduce those to, we can reduce that to 3 and 1. Switch colors. We can also eliminate, you'll notice we've got some y's up top here and down below. So I've got 2 y's up top and another 2y up top that I can get rid of. So there's 4 y's up top total, which means I can cancel all 4 y's down below. Now the x's, there aren't any other x's down below, so we're going to leave those where they are. I'm going to cancel one more thing off. We've got 3 z's down below and 6 z's up top, so we're going to get rid of 3 of them, so it becomes just z cubed. Cleaning this all up, now we have, on top we're left with 2x to the fourth over, on that one we're left with just 1, and the other one we're left with 3x z to the third, and our denominator we're just left with 1. So our denominator is all canceled out. Cleaning that up a little bit more, 2 times 3 is 6, x to the fourth times x is x to the fifth, and z to the third just goes along for the ride. Now, as I said, you could also do this without canceling anything off to start. You would just go through and multiply it out. So 8 times 9, x to the fourth times x, y to the second times y squared. In fact, let me just do that. I'm going to do that right above here. So another way you could do this is go through and multiply the numerators. So again, 72. X to the fourth times x is x to the fifth. Y squared times y squared is y to the fourth, and I'd have z to the sixth still. All over in our denominator, 3 times 4 is 12, z to the third, y to the fourth. Now some of you like this because now you only have one fraction you're dealing with. Now we can start going through and reducing things. So 72 over 12, that just reduces to 6 over 1. There's no x's to cancel off. Y's, we've got y to the fourth up top and down below. And just like we had earlier, we had 3 z's we can get rid of, so this becomes z to the third. So either way, you're going to end up with 6x to the fifth, z to the third, all over 1. So just 6x to the fifth, z to the third. Both ways work.